These RedRock 4x4 grab bars are for those of you that have a 1987 all the way up through the most current model year Wrangler that are looking for a grab handle that's going to make it a little easier for you and your passengers to get out of your Jeep, whether it's a stock height or if it's lifted. This is going to be a very simple 1 out of 3 wrench installation. These are just going to Velcro onto the sport cage, and we'll show you exactly how to do that in just a second. So if you're looking for a grab handle, you're going to find a couple of different categories. Really the big two being a soft grab handle like this one or a metal one. Now the metal ones give you a very secure feel when you grab onto them. They're bolted directly onto the sport cage and or the windshield frame, so you have that nice solid connection and you don't have any of this moving or stretching that you have with a fabric grab handle. The only downside to the metal ones, if you want to call it that, is that they are more difficult to install and they are more expensive. If you're looking for a soft grab handle like this one, I think that this is a very nice choice for you. These soft handles in general are going to be a little less expensive than the metal ones. Of course, like we already said, they install very easily without the need for any tools. And this version here that has the plastic on it still gives you a pretty good grabbing surface, in my opinion. Now, even amongst the fabric grab handles, you are going to find a couple of different variations. This one, again, I do like because it has a plastic buckle that you feed the straps through and then back through again, giving them some nice strength. And it also has the Velcro, again, just adding to that strength. This has 3 different straps instead of just 2, which make it a little bit stronger as well. And there is a bit of nylon webbing that goes on the top part of the sport cage, again, all about strength. So this is going to give you a nice sturdy surface. You could pretty much pull your entire body weight up on this without the risk of it coming off of the cage. So again, very, very strong. Some of the more expensive soft handles that you might find will have a larger neoprene grabbing surface, or they might have a few other features, maybe be a different color, something like that. But for a version that is just all about strength and giving you a nice solid grabbing surface, this one is going to be very, very fairly priced. These are very inexpensive. They come in at $10 for the pair of them. I think that's a steal for the strength and the usability that you're going to get here. So as I said before, very simple installation, but now let me show you exactly how to do it. So like I said, this is a very simple 1 out of 3 wrench installation. No tools necessary. These are just some Velcro straps that attach these onto the sport cage. So all you have to do is disconnect the Velcro from itself, wrap it around the bar and reconnect it, which we'll do right now. So what we're gonna do is feed the flat part up between the door surround and the sport cage. That'll give us easy access to the buckles from the inside. So feed the strap through the buckle, back through the buckle again. Tighten it down. And you're gonna put it through the loop for the handle itself and then feed it back around onto itself like that. The middle one, same thing, except for there isn't a loop for the handle in the middle. So just tighten that down, loop it back around onto itself, and then finally, the last one is the same as the first. Through the plastic buckle, back down through it again, pull it tight, feed it through the loop for the handle, and then Velcro it to itself. And when you're done, you can go ahead and adjust everything, sort of get it nice and centered in the window how you like it. Make sure the fabric is up on the top. You can tighten down any of the straps that you might want to. And then you're done. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So if you are looking for an inexpensive and easy to install set of grab handles, I would recommend this option from RedRock 4x4, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.